Welcome, guys and girls, to the seventh day of the Cat's Diary. Now, I haven't been upstairs, so I just decided to take you with me. Let's have a look at the baby cats. Now, there we can see them, lying on the ground with Katie and just drinking milk. Guys, aren't they sweet? Look at them. They're just drinking milk to make sure that they grow properly, that they develop perfectly. And I'm going to talk about how important it is and why it is important for the immune system that they drink those mother milk. Tomorrow you will get that information. So bye guys, that's it for the day.